Hey guys, on this episode of Make It Real, we're adding a defensive security mechanism to the spy car. Now, make sure you're following us on social media between videos as we've been posting tons of spy car updates before the videos come out. But let's start with a quick little prototype to see if this is actually going to work. That wasn't even a full shot.
Ian, get up here. Ian, fun's happening.
Did you do it?
I did it.
Best spy car upgrade yet. Ready?
Oh my god.
Alright, that proof of concept worked pretty good. Let's refine it a bit so it's not quite as obvious. Now, we actually have a more detailed electronics diagram which you can check out using the link in the description below to visit our project on maker.io. Hey Evan, you want to try the shock handle in the spy car? Evan? Evan?
Oh, sorry James. I just got so immersed editing with these new AKG K7XX headphones that we just got from Massdrop.
That's right, this video is sponsored by Massdrop, and if you've never heard of Massdrop before, it's a brand that makes great products for like-minded enthusiasts. And once you sign up for an account, you can actually vote on the types of products you'd like to see for sale. And the best part, you always save huge on the retail price. This year, they've actually partnered up with AKG to bring us the K7XX headphones, which are based off of the legendary K702s, which typically cost well over $300. If you've never used audiophile grade headphones before, you're in for a treat, because having high quality headphones makes a huge difference in your listening experience. We use them to make sure our video audio comes out perfect every time. They've sold over 25,000 units, with an average review of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Plus, if you sign up to our Massdrop using our link below, they can be yours for only $175. And as always, checking out our sponsors ensures we can keep making awesome projects like the spy car.
There we go. Good job.
Ah, that hurts.
I thought I couldn't move my head.
I don't like
It's not that bad, Riley. Like potato was. I won't
No,
say
okay,
potato was
okay.
worse.
What's bad about this is the fact that I know it's gonna shock me.
It's only
There's-
one finger too,
Yeah.
so it's
There's
not
a-
spread out like potato.
Yeah, but there's a 100% chance that when I touch that, it's gonna shock me.
That's almost better.
What are you telling me? Are you telling me this is worse, or are you telling me this is
I
better?
don't want to tell you it's better because it's a lie.
I hate that. Okay, alright.
Okay, Elena's gonna try it now.
I'm really panicking right now.
Do it.
Decided. I did it.
Screwdriver key.
Okay, now that it's working, we actually arranged a little fan meetup in the park so people can try it for themselves. Now obviously, being shocked kinda sucks, so we sweetened the deal by giving away Hacksmith hats to anyone willing to try the handle. If you guys want to come to the next fan meetup, make sure you follow us on social media for updates. What we brought you guys here today for is the shock door handle. So as soon as the car is locked, it engages the shock handle, and then if you attempt to open the door, you get a nice little shock. It's really not too bad. If you've ever used one of those shock pens, it's pretty similar to that. I wouldn't recommend touching the other part of the car with your hand. I don't think it can make a loop over your heart, but just in case, just use one hand, keep your other hand behind your back. So see Ian first to sign your life away, and then we'll go from there. Here, why don't you test on the other handle? It won't shock you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But that would be a good trick if I actually like did it backwards. Here, try the one that, oh. Go for it. The zapper. Wow! All right, give it a shot.
You couldn't hold your hand onto it for very long.
Got some tough skin. Anyone else? Go for it.
How'd you get this guy here?
Yeah, our goal is to keep it fully street legal. It's impressive.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Jeez. Are you gonna? Owen, are you gonna let them outdo you? You gotta chew. You gotta keep chewing. You can't let the jaw just cramp up. Yeah, there's gonna be more.
Oh my!
Funny story. I've never actually been shocked by this yet.
Oh.
Just on the bench. Because my rule is I won't get shocked by something unless it's on camera.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Warms your hand.
Oh, weaker. Holy.
I don't know about you guys, but I think that was one awesome spy car upgrade. Though I can't wait to add some of the next features, like the jet engines, the flamethrower exhaust, tire spikes, oil slicks, grappling hook, rocket launchers, defensive flares, smoke screens. Make sure you're subscribed. You're not going to want to miss the next episode.
I'm Pickle Rick! What are you just staring at me for, bro? I turned myself into a pickle.
Oh, God. Wasting valuable footage, Jan.